Hi guys, welcome back to another Lumix tutorial. I'm Zach. Today we're going to talk about a fairly smaller topic. It's not as cool as we talk about the sensor, the lenses, but this is small features that may affect your purchase decision. Some of you might even see this as a deal breaker. So this is the monitor of the camera, the in-body monitor of the camera, which is this thing right here. You can see. This is a Lumix GH5. It has a tilt free angle monitor, so it means that I can pull out and change to whatever angles I want. Like let's say I want to do a more low angle shoot, I can just have the monitor pointing up, so I can actually have a low angle, or I can have the monitor pointing down and I can have a higher angle. I can still be able to see what I'm recording. And you can also do a 180-degree flip, so you can able to record yourself and do vlogging and stuff. So this is obviously very handy if you are a vloggers or solo content creators, and this might be something you want to look into beside looking at other sensors and the codecs. The GH5 has this tilt free angle monitor, and the GH6, which we are recording right now, has one more layer of the tilt, so-called the tilt angle, which is it can actually angle it out first before you do the flipping and the tilting. So you actually become more flexible in terms of how you can tweak the angles of the monitor. And I mentioned flexibility, and why do we need so much flexibility? Because like your camera like this, you may want to put in external stuff, like let's say a mic, or let's say a HDMI cable to an external recorder, monitor, or transmitter. And oftentimes, those ports are just beside the monitors, all right? If you have the cables out, if your monitor doesn't allow you to do a lot of angles tilting thing, it might be in the way of your monitor, so that you cannot see or you cannot tilt to your desired angles, and which limits your work when you want to shoot in odd angles like the low and high angles. So this can ensure that you can maneuver around those cables, and it becomes much more flexible and to your work, and basically just makes your work easier. So there are a lot of different kinds of monitor out there. Some are just angle tilt that doesn't have much flexibility. Some like this can do a total 180 flip, and we have other types. But in my opinion, this will be the most useful type. And if you are a run and gun shooter, or if you are working solo a lot of time, this is very, very handy. So maybe you want to look into this before you make your next purchase. Try to go to the shops or borrow from someone, play around with it if you like it, and maybe this is a very major consideration in your next purchase. This is Zach, and thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one. Thank you.